Our community is struggling. We have pets all over without homes. Many people are misinformed about spaying and neutering and the problem it brings.
Today, we are going to talk about why spaying and neutering is one of the most important, responsible choices any pet owner can make, not only for their own pet, but for the entire community.
Spaying is a procedure done on female animals to prevent them from becoming pregnant. Neutering is done on male animals to prevent them from reproducing.
These are common procedures performed by veterinarians almost every day.
Every year, around 6,500 dogs, cats, and other pets end up in our animal shelters here in Washtenaw County. Many of them never find homes. Some are lost, some are abandoned, but a huge number of those come from unplanned litters. Just one unspayed female dog and her offspring can lead to hundreds of puppies over the course of several years. The same is true for cats, who can actually reproduce at an even faster rate. When pets aren't spayed or neutered, the population grows faster than homes can be found. Only 5% of stray cats are reunited with their families, and 1 in 10 stray dogs find a permanent home. That leads to overcrowded shelters in our neighborhoods and, in many cases, difficult decisions about which animals can be saved. Spaying and neutering directly prevents this problem. It stops unwanted litters before they ever happen, which in turn reduces the number of animals that suffer without homes.
Spaying and neutering doesn't just help control population, it also helps pets live longer, healthier lives. For female pets, spaying greatly reduces the risk of serious health issues like uterine infections and certain types of cancer. For male pets, neutering lowers the risk of testicular cancer and can reduce prostate problems as they age. In many cases, pets that are spayed or neutered live longer on average than those that are not. The Trap, Neuter, and Release Program, or TNR for short, is the Humane Society's most effective way of neutering stray cats. Local trappers within a community respond to sightings of stray cats and set traps. Once the animals are captured, they get taken to the Humane Society to get neutered and their ear clipped to signify to the community that the animal is fixed. Once that's been done, trappers re-release the animal back to where they were first originally captured. This operation is considered the most viable method since it reduces the intake of strays, controls the population of strays, and reduces the amount of cats that need to be euthanized unnecessarily. In many cases, pets that are spayed or neutered live longer on average than those that are not. Studies by the University of Georgia shared similar results gathered from the Banfield Pet Hospital in Michigan, with data showing that dogs average an increased lifespan of roughly 15.9% for male dogs, 24.65% for female dogs, 39% for female cats, and a staggering 62% for male cats.
Another big benefit is behavior and comfortability for both you and your pet. Unneutered male pets are more likely to roam in search of a mate that can lead them into dangerous situations like traffic, fights with other animals, or getting lost. They might also show more aggressive behavior or more territory inside the house. Spayed and unneutered pets are generally calmer. They're less driven by hormonal urges, which often make them easier to train and more focused on bonding with their owners. For female pets, spaying eliminates heat cycles. In short, these procedures can make pets more comfortable and easier to care for. Harbor Animal Hospital has an area for strays to be cared for and have somewhere to live until further notice. The Humane Society of Huron Valley also takes all pets and helps take care of them and keeps them sheltered until someone comes to adopt them. They also have volunteers that come play with the animals throughout the day so that the animals do not become depressed and lonely.
This isn't just a personal decision. It affects our neighborhoods. Communities with higher rates of spaying and neutering see fewer stray animals. That means fewer animals digging through trash, fewer aggressive encounters, and fewer animals at risk of injury or disease. It also reduces the spread of illnesses that can pass between animals. Animal shelters and rescue organizations depend on responsible pet ownership. When more people spay and neuter their pets, shelters have more resources to care for the animals that truly need help.
There are a lot of myths about spaying and neutering that can make people hesitant. One of these myths is that the procedure will change your pet's personality. In reality, they do not change who your pet is. They just reduce the behaviors that are driven by hormones that we talked about earlier. There are also concerns about cost. Surgery does have an upfront cost, but it's often much cheaper than caring for a litter of puppies or kittens, or treating health issues that may arise later. Many communities offer low-cost or free spaying and neutering programs. Washtenaw County is one of these communities, and one of the ways legislators can solve our problem of overpopulation is frankly by throwing money at it. They can listen more to caregivers and learn what funds can be better placed towards them. This can be done in addition to what you can do for your community.
So what can you do? If you have a pet that hasn't been spayed or neutered, talk to your veterinarian. Ask questions, learn about the process, and make a plan. At the end of the day, this isn't just about animals. It's about being responsible in your community.